and in today's video I'm going to unbox this blow dry that we shipped it from China, and it's a 13-in-1 blow dry. So let's go and see what is inside here.
Even when you feel low, you can still go.
So we have this one, but it's for a week.
Extra strong.
And this one, natural one by one. In your flat iron, for those who know how to do the wig in your flat iron, you do this way. And then the combs. This is junior na hii ni ya tonging. Gilo nakumbuka mama akituambia tonging. Hii ndio ya flat iron. Iko na on and off. Ni ya kukaa. And then we have this one. Here, this is junior. I will try all of it out. Iko na tuvitu tudogo ini ya nywele ya kushikilia nywele. We have kapot. Where?
Tumepata makasi.
Iko na makasi ya kutrim, ya kukata, na ziko sharp. Inakaa kama nini. And then in here, hii ni nini? Ndio baby ile kubwa.
Ni ndogo.
Uliselect ndogo?
I don't know.
Haya. Abu nitaosha nywele alafu to try. Ni nyepesi. So this is what is inside here. This blow dry iko na manual but ijaandikwa na Kizungu.
Ilinunuliwa kwa, it was intended for Chinese market.
Okay. Yes. And when I'm trying to use it, I will show you guys how it works. Guys, see you in our next video, and I will show you the review. Itakuwa hapa mwisho. Yeah. Bye.
When you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still